Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up bonuses and competitions, so go and do that totally free. And finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below and I will get you sorted out with one of them. They are extremely good. It's been allowing me to buy the dip on these cryptos that have just kept on dipping, even though we are technically in a bull market right now in my opinion, but altcoins have been absolutely slaughtered over the past, I would say 6 months now really, haven't they? Not really got off to the bull market that everyone expected. Obviously we did see Verasity here coming up and trying to break out this bear market consolidation that we were in, but we did come up here and get stuck under around that 1.5 cent level. Since then we've had a huge decline. We're down around 90%, I would say, just from there. 85% corrected from there. How far are we down now? 97% from all-time high. My oh my, we are getting very overextended to the downside. But it just makes me bullish. It really does just make me bullish because, you know, the more oversold things get, the more likelihood, in my opinion, of getting a good entry for the long term if you're holding long term, which is something that I am personally doing. I've been averaging in with my trading bots profits over the past year or so massively into cryptos just like this. Ones that are way too overextended to the downside, and they've probably got a good chance of popping up in the bull market. Verasity is no exception, but we can see on the price action here, we're starting to do this, aren't we? We're starting to get this curved bottoming out pattern coming in. You can see obviously we've had these big continuous declines to the downside. Came down to the 023 here, broke down, back tested, didn't even get that far. Just back tested into that previous level of structure, sold off again, broke down, sold off again, but we are losing momentum to the downside. You can see these big bullish divergences coming in at the lows for Verasity. I had a long position here which was in this decent amount of profit, but came down and got stopped out at break even. We came down again, tested the low where I took another long position, popped up into that previous resistance. Now probably going to come down for a back test again. It's most likely going to be back testing due to Bitcoin having another decline to the downside. The more that Bitcoin chops around, the more that your altcoins that you love get absolutely slaughtered in the market, until we see Bitcoin heading to all-time highs and we get a nice altcoin season decouple from Bitcoin's price action. We are going to continue to see altcoins all declining to the downside, but we're definitely losing momentum. I think most people have gotten out by now from Verasity. There's not that many bag holders left. And I do think we are going to start seeing some big reversals in the market soon, in general, not just for Verasity. So let's see what we can do.